We reached Pine Grove Furnace. We came out on the trail down to a road. I guess we just had to know that we had to make a left turn. The trail wasn't real well marked there. We started to go down some stairs into some people's backyard and then realized I don't see any more marks here, and they'd usually put a mark on the stairs. Oops. So there's a stable here. Katie would like that. There's Pine Grove Furnace Store. There's Icecream. Oh, Jonathan, is this the ice cream challenge? Somebody said it was open. Said it opened at 10. Closed, oh no. We'll return at 11. Closed for the season. Oh no. Wi-Fi password is ice cream cone, no caps. Oh, so neat. They have patches, and newsletter, and Boy Scouts are out here doing a troop project. Sounds like they're running a cement mixer. Whew. Looks nice.